Hello students, how are you all? Yes, you all are fine and happy, okay? So subject English. Today we will do revision of lesson 7. We will do hard words, okay? So that we will revise hard words. But you know how we will revise? Yes. See, I will dictate words. I will dictate words and you have to write down, note down that dictation words. Okay, I will dictate, you have to write. So, take out your notebook and a pencil. Okay, so take out your notebook and pencil. Quick, be fast. Okay, children. So, what will happen, you know? I will speak word. Okay, then time will come. Okay, then time will come. In that time, after that time, the word will appear. Okay, then you have to see that your work is correct or not. Understood, children? So listen carefully the pronunciation of that word and then write down in your notebook. Okay, children? So, now see, what we will learn today? Words by dictation. Understood, children? So, you will have taken out your notebook with pencil. Yes, write down that word which I will speak. Okay, I will speak and you have to write in your notebook. Okay, listen carefully and then write the correct spelling of that word. Okay, so that you will be also knowing that your word is correct or not. So time will also appear after you have written. Time will appear and then the correct word also will be seen on the screen. Okay, so are you ready now to write down with your notebook? Very good. So are you ready now? Okay, write down heading lesson 7 dictation. Okay, lesson 7 dictation. Okay, don't worry if you have written wrong. Write down correct it. Okay, so I hope now you all are ready to do this. Now see, word number 1. Yes, you have to write down 1, 2, 3 word. Okay, so I will speak 12 words. So number 1 word is, write down forgets. Write down number 1, forgets. Forgets. You know the spelling, no? So listen carefully. Forgets. 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 Okay. Forgets. So now see, your time will come. Okay, time started. Write down fast. Forgets. 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 See, now your word will come. Forgets. Okay, those who have not written, copy this word. Forgets. Okay, you all have written forgets. Yes, very good. Those who have written right. If they have not written, write down correct word. Okay, children? Yes, Forgets, forgets. Okay, number 2. Write down number 2. Grandma. 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 Write fast. Number 2, grandma. Yes, write down grandma. Correct word of grandma. Grandma. Write fast. Grandma. Yes, write down. See here, what will appear? Grandma. See here. Those who have written, write. Those who have written, see that your spelling is correct. Grandma. 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 Okay, children? Grandma. Understood? Yes. So those who are wrong, write correct it. Grandma. Those who have written wrong, correct it. Grandma. Okay, children. Very good, those who have written. Okay. So are you ready now to write number 3? Word number 3. Yes. See now, word number 3 is shop. Shop. Write down the spelling of shop. 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 Write fast. Shop. 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 Okay, children? Shop. Shop. See now, time will come. Write fast. Shop. 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 See the spelling here? S-H-O-P. Shop. Those who have written correct, very good. Those who have not written, correct the spelling. S-H-O-P. Shop. S-H-O-P. Shop. Okay, children? Yes. Very good. Very good, those who have written. S-H-O-P. Shop. Okay. Now, word number 4. See now, number 4. Write down wet. 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 Grandma was wet in the rain, no? So wet. 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 Listen carefully. Wet. Write the spelling of wet. 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 Write fast. Wet. 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 Okay, children? You have written wet. Okay, now time will come here. Write fast. Wet. Those who have not written, wet. 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 Write fast. Wet. 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 Now see here, what will come? Wet. See the spelling? W-E-T. Wet. Very good, those who have written. W-E-T. Wet. Okay, you all know now the spelling of wet. Those who have not written, correct it. Number 4 is wet. W-E-T. Wet. Grandma was wet in the rain. Okay, children? So, wet. W-E-T. Wet. W-E-T. Wet. Okay? Yes. All have written, all are writing properly. Write fast. You have learned the words, no? Okay, now see number 5. Okay, 5. Number 5 is umbrella. Umbrella. Write down umbrella. 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 Very good, those who have written. Umbrella. Umbrella. You know the spelling, no? Umbrella? Yes. Umbrella. 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 Okay? Write fast. Umbrella. Okay, now see your time will come. Write fast. Umbrella. 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 Now see the word will appear here. Umbrella. See the spelling. See here. Can you see the word umbrella? What is the spelling? Very good. Those who have written correct. Those who have not written, copy it. UMBRELLA. 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 Okay, children? Umbrella. 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 Very good, those who have written correct. Okay, those who have not written, copy it and learn this spelling. Umbrella. 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 Okay, children? Yes. All have written, no? Okay. Now, word number 6. Word number 6. Number 6, write down. Grocer. 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 Write fast. Grocer. Grocer. You all have written grocer. Write fast. You all know the spelling you have learnt, no? Grocer. Write fast. Grocer. 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 Okay? Now see, time will appear. Write fast. Grocer. 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 See here the word grocer. Grocer. See the spelling? Grocer. Grocer. Now see, those who have written, very good. Those who don't know, copy this word, grocer. Learn the spelling. Grocer. 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 Okay? Grocer. Grocer. Grandma went to grocer shop, no? To buy bread and butter. Okay? So, word is grocer. Spelling Grocer. Grocer. Grocer is a person who sells things. Okay? What he sells? He sells things. Is a person who sells things. Okay, children? Okay. Now, word number 7. Write down 7. Wonders. Wonders. Listen carefully. Wonders. Spelling of wonders. 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 Write fast. Wonders. 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 Grandma wonders. No? So write fast. Wonders. 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 Write fast. Wonders. 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 Okay. Now see, your word will come. Wonders. See the spelling. W-O-N-D-E-R-S. Wonders. Grandma wonders, no? Where her umbrella is. Where is bread and butter? So wonders. Okay. She thinks that where is her umbrella? Where is her bread and butter? Okay. You all know that grandma was forgetful. So she wonders. Okay, children. So have you written this word? Those who have written correct, very good. Those who don't know, learn this word. Okay, children? Yes. Okay. All have written this. Wonders. Okay. W-O-N-D-E-R-S. Wonders. Okay, children? Very good. Those who have written. Yes. Now, word number 8. Write down word number 8. Greengrocer. Greengrocer. Number 8. Greengrocer. Okay, children? Now you all know, no? Greengrocer. Yes. Write fast. Greengrocer. 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 Okay? Write down. Greengrocer. Yes. Write fast with good handwriting. Greengrocer. Word. Greengrocer. Greengrocer. Write fast. Greengrocer. Yes, you all have written. Greengrocer. Greengrocer. Okay, children? Greengrocer. Write fast. Greengrocer. Okay, time will become. See now, time started. Write fast. Greengrocer. 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 See now, your word will appear. Greengrocer. See here. See the word. G-R-E-E-N. Green. G-R-O-C-E-R. Grocer. Now you know who is greengrocer? Greengrocer is a person who sells vegetables and fruits. Okay. So that is greengrocer, a person who sells vegetables and fruits. Okay. So grandma went to buy cucumber, no? To greengrocer shop. Yes, you all remember that? Very good. So what is the spelling? G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-O-C-E-R, grocer, greengrocer. You have done? Very good. So greengrocer. Okay, children? Greengrocer. Those are written well and good. Those are not written. Write fast. G-R-E-E-N, G-R-O-C-E-R, greengrocer. Okay, children? Greengrocer. Okay? Very good. Greengrocer. Learn this spelling. A person who sells fruits and vegetables is called greengrocer. Okay? Very good. Now see word number 9. Write fast. Cucumber. 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 Listen carefully word. Cucumber. 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 Okay, children? Cucumber. Word is cucumber. 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 Okay, write fast. Cucumber. Number 9. Cucumber. You have done cucumber. Very good. Write fast. Cucumber. Listen carefully. Cucumber. Then write the spelling of the word. Cucumber. Okay, children? Yes. Now see here. Time will appear. Write fast. Cucumber. 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 Okay, now word will appear. See here, the word will appear. Cucumber. See, read this word. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. Okay, well and good those have written. Those who have not written, write fast. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. You know that cucumber. What is cucumber? Yes, cucumber is a vegetable. Cucumber is a vegetable. Grandma buys cucumber, no? Yes, so cucumber. Okay, children? Cucumber. See the spelling once again. C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R. Cucumber. Cucumber. Okay, children? Yes. Now see number 10. Word number 10. Things. Write down things. Spelling of things. Spelling of things. 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 Grocer sells things, no? So that things. Things. Write fast. Things. 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 Write down fast. Things. Things. Okay, you all have finished? Things. Yes. Things. Write fast. Things. See, now time will come. So write fast things if you are not written. Things. 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 Now see the word will appear. Things. See the spelling here. Things. Things. See the word here. Things. 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 Okay, children? You have written this. If you have written correctly, very good. Those who have not written, write fast. Copy this word, this spelling. Things. 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 Okay, grocer sells things, no? Very good. So now, word number 11. Word number 11. Write fast. Walk. 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 Write the spelling of walk. 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 All have done. It is very easy word. Walk. Easy spelling. Walk. Okay? Walk. Now see your time will come. Write fast. Walk. 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 See here, what will appear? Walk. See the spelling? W-A-L-K. Walk. Okay, we have learnt in grammar now. Walk means it is an action word. Okay, walk is an action word. You are walking, no? So W-A-L-K. Walk. What is the spelling? W-A-L-K. Walk. Okay, children. So you all know, no? This word, it is very easy. Okay. Now see number 12. Word number 12. Write down. Home. Home. Spelling of home. Spelling of home. Write fast. Home. Home. See, I am speaking. You have to write the spelling of the word home. Home. It is very easy. Yeah? Home. Write fast. Home. 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 Okay, children. Write fast. Home. 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 Now see, your word will appear. Home. See the spelling of home. H-O-M-E. Home. It is very easy. Okay. See the word here. H-O-M-E. Home. Okay, children. So you all have done this. Very good. Those who have got all the words correct. Okay. Those wrong spelling, no, correct it. Learn it well. Okay, children. Will you learn, no? Very good. So learn all the spelling. Learn all the spelling that we did dictation. Okay. Write it well. Learn it well. Okay, children. So I hope now you all are doing. Now you all will learn all the spelling. Okay. You will learn, no? Will you learn? Very good. So do your homework. Write down with correct spelling of the word, okay, with good handwriting, okay children. So thank you and take care of yourself.